Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Tutor. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the various slicing techniques on DataFrame, how to extract subset of data from a data frame. Okay, what are the various ways, how we can write the codes, which code will not produce output, that means empty data frame, which will produce output from a data frame. Okay, so let's continue. Slicing means extracting subset of data from a data frame. Okay, maybe few columns, few rows. Okay, two columns, any number of rows, any number of columns. Fine. So this can be done in two ways. First one is using ILOC. So today in this video, I am going to explain about all the technique of ILOC. Log, another technique is that log. That one I'll explain in the next video. Okay. So ILOC works based on position of rows and columns. Position means default indexing 0, 1, 2, 3 for rows as well as column. That means if we do not assign any name for columns and rows, then default positioning will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Based on this, ILOC works. So in the ILOC part, first you see here same thing, start, stop, step. Here also same. Okay. So the second part and the first part. Okay, first part and second part. First part is meant for row. Okay, these are row indexes, and second one is for column indexes. Okay, default value of start is 0, default value of stop is number of rows. This one is +1. Same way, here it is 0, here it is number of columns. Okay, I am writing in short, it is +1. Number of column means if 4 columns are there, so default value of stop will be 4. Means if we do not mention in the slice, okay, in this part. So another point is that whatever value you will have in the stop position, it will not come in the output in case of ILOC. Now, in case of log, it works based on position, numeric or alphanumeric or string, based on levels. Okay, it works based on levels. Fine. So here also you see start, stop, and step. So here also same thing. Okay. This one first three, these are for rows, and this one is for columns. Okay. How this works, this one I'll explain in the next video. Okay. And here you must remember that value at stop position will come in the output. Two differences. Okay. ILOC works based on position. Lock works based on level. In ILOC, value present at stop position will not come both for rows as well as for columns, and in case of log, both rows and columns, whatever value you will have in the stop position will come in the output. Okay, so let's see about the ILOC. Certain points we need to remember in case of ILOC. Position can be positive, negative. Here you see 1 colon 5 colon 2 all are positive. It can be negative also, combination of negative, combination of positive and negative. Okay. One more thing you must remember in case of a data frame, that data frame has two types of index. Already we know, I believe, that it has forward index as well as backward index. Okay. So here you see, in case of this one, that indexing which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, this one is known as forward index. Okay. And the indexing which starts from -1 is called backward indexing. Okay, it is backward indexing. Fine. So we need to remember, in case of column, first one is 0 or the last one is -1. These two we need to remember. In case of rows, these are the row labels, row name. These are not the position. These are different. Okay, these are the name of row, name of rows, and these two are the position of row. Position, two types, negative, positive. Okay, positive means forward, negative means backward. Okay, so we need to remember these characteristics of data frame. So see the first case here, positive, negative position of both start and stop. That means here, if you consider the positive values, then you need to consider for both start as well as stop position, you have to give positive values. If you consider negative position, then for start as well as stop, you need to put negative position. That means our concept is about that. Okay. So if start is less than stop, that means start position is less than stop position, then step value must be positive. So here one thing you need to remember that in data frame, in data frame, so suppose everything, if the indexes are moving vertically, first one positive one 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5. In negative, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. Like this. Okay. As I said in the previous slide also. So see, if the start position is here, so suppose 1. I am considering here 1. Hence the stop position is 4. So start value is less than stop position, means start position is less than stop position. So in that case, our step value will be positive. Let's see one example and let's consider this data frame. Here, this is 0 number, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. And at the same time, this one is minus 5, this is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. This is also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way here, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now see here 1 and 6. So 1 is less than 6. So we are starting from 1 number position. Which one is 1? This one is 1. At 1, what is our index? We have 2. So row index will be 2. Our step value is 2. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. So after 1, it will come to 3. At 3, what is the index? We have 4. So up to this. This one is 0 colon colon 3. So 3 is the step value here. And stop value will be the number of rows. So first one is 0. After that 3, this one will come, and after that nothing is there. So A and D will come. So 2A value is 51. 2D value is 81. Okay. At 4A it is 23, and in 4D we have value is 62. I hope it is clear. Okay. Let's see one example with negative index. So here you see minus 5 and minus 1. Now we know that in negative, the larger values are the smaller one. So minus 5 is less than minus 1. Where is minus 5? Here you see minus 5, and here you see minus 1. So we need to come this way. So minus 5 to minus 4, how we will come? By adding plus 1. Minus 4 to minus 3, by adding plus 1. So see positive values. So if we need to move this way, our step value must be positive. So here you see positive. Now for this one, what will be the output? At minus 5 we are starting. At minus 5 we have index. What we have? 1. And our step value is 2. So after minus 5 we will come to minus 3. At minus 3, what is the index? So it is 3. Now then minus 1. So here 2 will go to minus 1. But at minus 1, whatever values we have, these values we have, this cannot come in the output. Why? Because you see this minus 1 is the stop value here. That's why up to only 1 and 3 will come as a rows. And this is 3 column. So 3 at 3 we have D. So D as well as E will come. So 1D value is 31. It is 41. 3D at 3D value is 44. And this one is 55. Okay. So I hope it is clear, everyone. Next one, you see both positive or negative position of both start and stop. Another case. Okay. Now here start position is larger than stop. Start is larger than stop. Then our step value must be negative. Let's see one example. Here you see 4 to 1. Now in this, if we see this one 4 to 1, where is 4? 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is 4. So we are going from 4 to 1. How to go this one? By subtracting minus 1, right? 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. By subtracting 1. So see, here it is negative value. In this case, so which one is 4? Now see, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And negative 1 is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Now 4 to 1. Where is 4? Here. From here we need to go here, right? -2. So at 4 what we have? At 4 we have 5. Then -2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So it will be 3, right? 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 will come in as a row index. Now column it is starting from 2. So which one is 2? C is 2 here. So C, D, E will come. Okay. For this one, this will be the output and their corresponding values. I am skipping the value part. Okay. Another one, see both are in negative. So -1 is less than -5. As we know that in case of negative number, the smaller value is larger than the bigger value. So -1, where is -1? Here is -1. So see -1, we need to go to -5 this way. So how to go from -1 to -2? By adding -1. Again here also -1, here also -1. So ultimately our step value will remain negative. Okay. For this one I am skipping the output. You can execute and find out the output here. -1 means which one? We will get 5. Let me write 5. Then see here the step value is -2. After 5 what will come? 3 will come. After 3 what will come? 1. 1 cannot come. Why 1 cannot come? Because -5 is the stop value you see here. And we know that stop value, the value present at stop position will not come in the output. So only 5 and 3. And here 2 column, that means C, D, E. So values will be 5C, 35, 45, 55. In case of 3, it is 33, 44, 55. So this will be the output of this one. Okay. Let's see the next one. Negative position of start and positive position of stop. So here is the combination. Negative position of start, positive position of stop. So see here, first, what is the condition? If the start position is vertically below the stop position, then step value must be negative. Let's see in case of this one. Whereas here it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Now here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I said, start position is vertically below. What is the start position? -2. So -2 is here. And where is 1? 1 is here. 1 is here. Right? 1 is here. Now, see, 1 is here. And what is the start position? -2. So where is -2? Here. Now see what I said, the start position is vertically below. So see, 2 is below 1, -2 is below 1. Okay, vertically below. Stop position. Stop position is at in vertically stop position is before the start position, right? Vertically means in this way, if start is at bottom and stop is on top, okay, in that case step value must be negative. Step value must be negative. So see here, -1 we are going from what? -1 to 1 we are going this way. -1 to 1 we are going this way. Now if we are going this way, we are going this way, right? -2 to 1 we are going this way. So at -2 position what we have? We have 4, right? Index is 4. Now -1, so it will be 3. Okay, it will be 3. And after that this value will not come. This value will not come in the output. Why? Because this is at position 1. And as we know that this one is what? This one is stop position. So see here, stop position is 1. So if stop position is 1, so value at stop position will not come in the output. Again it is 3 column. The column portion is 3 column. 3 column means starting from D, rest all the columns. So D and E. Is that clear everyone? So if start in case of negative position, okay, first one is negative, then here it is positive value. In this case of slicing, we need to check the start value. Okay, where is the start value? Vertically, where is the start value? Either here, either here. Where? So in this case, we have our start value here and stop is here. For this situation, our step value will be what? Step value will be negative. Okay, it can be -1, it can be -2, it can be anything. Okay, let's see the next condition: negative position of start and positive position of stop. That means negative position of start. So first one is negative and this one is positive. Okay, positive position of stop. Now see, in this case, we need to check another case. Here we need to check start position is vertically above or not. Previous one we have seen the start position is vertically below, right? Now here you see start position is vertically above stop. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here it is -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay. So we are starting from -5. Where is -5? Here is -5. This is the start position. Okay. And where is 5? 5 is here is 4. So here will be 5 somewhere here. Right. Now see start. Start position is here, it is stop above. Okay. See start is on top. In these cases, our step value will be positive. Step value will be positive. Okay. So in this case, you see -5 to 5. So at -5, what is the index? -5 index is 1. Okay. And then what will come? 3 will come. After 3, what will come? 5 will come. Okay. You must remember this 5 and this 5 both are not same. This is the row name. Row name, or you can say level, but this 5 is the position. Okay, this is position. So here all these 3 rows will come, and the column is C. Here colon 4 colon 2 colon so that means colon first portion is missing. That means it will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. So what will come first at 0 number position? What we have? A we have, and we are adding 2 here. This 2 is the step value. Step value is plus, so 0 plus 2 is 2. So C will come. Up to this only A and C, because 4 cannot come. Why? Because 4 is the stop value. Fine, and their values will come accordingly. So here what we have seen, if this way, previous one start was here and stop was here. In that case, step is negative. Now start is here and stop is here. So step will be positive. Okay. So these two cases we need to remember. Fine. So another one is that positive position of start and negative position of stop. So here positive position of start. Earlier in case of start we have considered all the negative values. Now here you see if the start position is vertically below -5. Let's consider this data frame only. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is what? This is -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Now we are starting from 4. Where is 4? 4 is here. So here is our start. And where is our stop? It is -5 here. So here you see start is below. In this case, our step will be negative. Okay. So 4 to 5. Fine. 4 to 5. At phone number, what is the index? 5. Step value is -1. 5, 4, 3, 2 will come. 1 will not come. Why 1 will not come? Because this -5 is the stop value. So 1 will not come. Okay. In reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 will come. And here you see 3 colon colon. So starting from 3, 0, 1, 2, this one is 3, right? This one is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3, 2, minus 1. So what will come here? D, C, B, A will come. Okay, because here 3 minus 1 is what? 3 minus 1 is 2. So if I write the position 0, 1, 2, 3. So at 3 what we have? We have D. So 3 minus 1 it is 2. At 2 what we have? We have C. So C came. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. At 1 we have B. 1 minus 1 is 0. At 0 we have A. So corresponding value also we need to write down. Is that clear? So next one of this same one, positive position of start and negative position of stop. Here you see vertically above. Start position is above the stop position. Consider this data frame. Same one we are considering throughout the entire video. Row 1, 2, 3, 4. That is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Vertically above. So 1. Here is the start, because here is the 1. Okay, and what is stop? Minus 2. This is stop. So start is above the stop. In this case our step is negative, sorry, positive. This one is positive. Now see, we need to come from 1 to 1 to minus 2, right? 1 to minus 2 this way. So if we need to come this way, we need to add. Fine. So at 1 what we have? The index is at 2. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then 4 will not come. Why? Because here you see 2 is the stop value. So if 2 is the stop value, see here minus 2 is the stop value, right? As minus 2 is the stop value, at minus 2 what we have? 4. So 4 will not come. So only 2 and 3 will come. And this one is 3 colon. So D and E will come. Okay. So there are some exceptions. There are some exceptions. See, when we do not mention anything directly, if we write colon, 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 all this colon, in this case, this entire data frame will be the output. Okay, directly, entire one will come. Now here you see colon, colon, 2 and 2 colon. First one is we are starting from 0. First one we are starting from 0, and here you see it is 2. Step value is 2. This one is step. Here it is step. Here it is start. This 2 is start. So first one here it is 0. So we are starting from 0. If we are starting from 0, so what will be the indexing? 1, 3, right? 1, 3 and 5. Okay, and here we are starting from 2 and colon 2. So this is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will come? Only C and E will come. Yes, there is no stop value. That means entire rows and entire columns will come in the output. Now again, entire means here whether all the rows will come or not, this depends on the step value. If step value is +1 or -1, then it will come, means it will bring all the rows and columns. Otherwise it will bring according to the step value. So here you see step value is 2. So every alternate rows and columns will come in the output. Fine. Next one you see here 0. This one is number of rows and -2. This means what? This means 0 colon. Now, as I said earlier, that if we do not mention the stop value, for the first case, that is for rows, what will be the value? Number of rows. So how many number of rows are there? 5. So 0 colon 5 colon -2. Okay. Now, in this case, one thing we need to remember. So here it is 5. I have not given stop value. I have not given start value. I have given only -2. In this case, we need to remember this start value. Default is 0. Okay, default is 0. When in case of this one. In case of this one, it is 0. But here you see, I have not given start. I have not given stop. I have given only -2. When start and stop are missing. Okay, Not even start and stop are missing when start value is not given actually. When start value is not given, then start value depends on the sign of step value. Start not given, then it depends on the sign of step value. Now, what is the sign of step value here? It is -1, right? The sign is -1. So, definitely this start value will not be 0, it will be -1. When? Because here the sign of step value is -2, that's why it will be -1. Okay, it will be -1. So, accordingly, this step value will be, it will also change, it will become -6. It will become -6. Okay, this stop value will become -6, or you can consider that all the rows will come. Now here you see for this one, what will be the output? It will be 5, it will be 3, it will be 1. Okay, and here you see 2 colon colon 2. I have kept it same. So C and E. I hope it is clear. Here start value is missing, stop value is also missing. We should not bother about the stop value because the sign, because the value of start, the position of start does not depend on stop. It depends on step. Okay. In this case, you see here I have given 3. Stop value is 3. Start value is not given. It is -1. So again it will take from -1. Now here we need to remember this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. We are starting from -1. We are going to till 3. Where is 3? Here is 3. 3 is here. Positive 3 is here. Right? This is the third position and this is the fourth position. And we are starting from -1. So we'll go to till 3. So 3 will not come in the output because 3 is the stop value. This 3 is the stop value. Right? So it will not come in the output. So only what will come? 5 will come. And column D and E will come because it is starting from 3. 3. So let's see some of the examples when there will be some empty data frame and there will be mirror image of the data frame. Okay, so here I have created one data frame, the same one which I was taking as an example. So see here. Okay, so in this case, see if I write print, okay, let's keep print df.iloc, okay, see colon colon -1 comma colon colon -1. Here entire data frame will be printed but in reverse order. You see here E came at first and this 5 has been shifted to at 5. This row, this entire row is on top. Now you see 55, 45, 35, 25, 15 in reverse order. Rows will be reverse. Okay, here it is 1 to 5. If I write it like this, then it will be 5 to 1. Here it is A to E, column will be E to A. Now see, the values will remain same. 5E, what is the value? 5E is 55. So see here, 5E is 55. 5D, okay, 5D. So what is the value at 5D? It is 45. Now here you see the value of 5D is 45. So this point you need to be very careful regarding this. Okay, you need to be very careful. Okay, mirror imaging. Now in some cases there will be no data. For example, as I said, if the start value is smaller than the stop value, suppose 4 here. Okay, and what's supposed to be the step value? Step value supposed to be positive. Here I am giving -1. This one I am giving as it is. So suppose 3, no problem. So if I execute this, see only C is coming. Only C is coming. That means it is not producing any output. It is not producing any output. That means what? This will, this one will produce no output. no output, or you can write empty data frame, or you can write empty data frame. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So in certain cases, whatever condition I have explained earlier, if you do not follow, or the slices are not following those conditions, then there will be no output. Is that clear? Let's see few more examples. So ILOC, here I am giving 1 colon colon 3 comma, in this one I am giving you see the negative 1 colon colon minus 2. In this one what will happen? You see colon colon minus 2, that means it will take from E. As I said, it will take always minus 1 because here start is missing. Here I have not given the start value, so it will take value according to the sign of the step value. Step is minus, so it will take minus 1, so E will come first. Then minus 2, E minus 2 is C, C minus 2 is A, so E C A. Okay, now here 1 colon colon 3, so starting first one is 1. Okay, first one is 1 means here 0. So 1 plus 3 is 4, right? 1 plus here what we are starting? We are starting from 1. So 1 is which one? 1 is this 2, because first one, for here 1 number position is 0. 2 number it is 1. So at 1 what we have? 2. So 2 came. And 1 plus 3 it is 4. At 4 number we have 5. Because here position starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that's why 2 and 5 will come in the output. I hope it is clear everyone. Reverse one. Okay. So it totally depends on the step value, how many rows will come. Okay. Now one more thing is that df.iloc, for example, you see suppose I am giving here for 6 colon 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 colon, so I am giving minus 4 comma colon colon, so 2. Now in this case you see the output produced is 5 1 this one. Let's understand why we are getting this output, why we are getting this output. Okay, here you see 6 colon colon 4. Now we need to understand this is 0 1 2 3 4, here it is 5, here it is 6. Now what is the step value? Minus 4. Now is 5 present in the data frame? No. Is is 6 present in the data frame? No. Is 5 present in the data frame? No. Which one is present? 4. So directly we'll write at 4, what is the index? We have 5. We'll write 5. See, you should not subtract 4 from 6, as first position is 6, so you should not subtract minus 4. You should not subtract 4 from 6. It will give you incorrect output. We need to start subtracting minus 4 from the position where we have values in the data frame. Okay, so here at 6 we don't have value, at 5 we don't have value, so forget about this. We need to take from 4. So at 4 what we have? 5. Now 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. At 1 what is the index? It is 2. 4, it is 4. Okay, 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. At 0 what is the index? Index is 1. That's why here 1 came. I hope it is clear everyone. So you must remember, if the position which is given in the slice is not present in the data frame, so suppose here 6. So first, until we get the position where we have values in the data frame, जब तक हमें डेटा फ्रेम के वैल्यूज ना मिले तब तक हमें जो स्टेप वैल्यू है -4 हो, -3 हो, +3 हो, +2 हो, कुछ भी हो, उसको माइनस होने से -1 सोचना है, प्लस होने से उसको +1 सोचना है. नहीं तो -4, ना तो -3, ना तो +3, ना तो +2, उसको -1 और +1 में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो 6 तो है नहीं, इसलिए 6 से 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इंस्टेड ऑफ 4. सो 6 माइनस 1 इज 5. 5 में भी वैल्यू नहीं है, सो 5 से भी हमें 1 माइनस करना है. सो 5 से 1 माइनस करने पे 4, और 4 पे हमें वैल्यू मिल गया. जब हमें वैल्यू मिलेगा तब इस -4 को अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्लाइस, अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन कन्वर्ट करना है. यहाँ पे -4 है, सो अभी क्या करना है, 4 से -4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. अभी -1 को नहीं सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, -4 को करना है. तो यहाँ पे 0 आएगा. सो 0 पे क्या है, 1 है. सो दैट्स व्हाई 1 की. This is another condition, exceptional one. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Still, if you have any doubt, any confusion, please write in the comment section. I'll explain about your doubts in the next video. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching my video. I believe you have liked my video. So if you like, once again, if you like, then please comment, share among your friends, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel. That is Learn with Titonsa.